There are teenage boys right now studying their faces like they're preparing for a geometry exam, measuring their canthal tilt, doing tongue exercises in the mirror at 11 p.m., and some of them are hitting themselves in the face with a hammer. This is Looksmaxxing. It blew up on TikTok, jumped to YouTube, and in early 2026, search interest jumped over 30%. Surgeons are seeing it in their waiting rooms. Your little brother probably already knows what a negative canthal tilt is. What does the science actually say works? What's completely unhinged? And why are so many guys falling into this rabbit hole? Well, it's actually quite simple. No, it's not. That was a lie. Your brain processes a face in 33 milliseconds. Before you're consciously aware someone exists, your visual cortex has already filed a report. And what it's looking for is not beauty, it's information. Is this person healthy? Did their development go smoothly? Symmetry signals smooth development. Clear skin signals no parasites. Your brain is not admiring anyone's skincare routine. It is running a parasite check in 33 milliseconds. Romantic. And here's what blows the whole looksmaxxing worldview apart. Attractiveness is not a fixed score stamped on your face at birth. Research shows it's calculated fresh every time someone looks at you using around 40 different inputs. Bone structure is one of them. Sleep. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol, causes facial puffiness and inflammation. A real study showed sleep-deprived faces were rated consistently less attractive by strangers. Your grandmother telling you to get 8 hours was looksmaxxing. She was simply built different. Body composition. Facial fat distribution changes with overall body fat. Lower body fat means more visible bone structure. The jawline that half of TikTok is obsessing over might just be hiding under 10 kilograms. No surgery required. Posture. Forward head posture from staring at your phone changes how your face reads from the front. Research shows upright posture independently increases attractiveness ratings. It is free. You can start literally right now. Sit up. Mewing. Pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth to reshape your jawline. It has millions of videos. Convincing before and afters. A nearly religious following. The American Association of Orthodontists has formally stated there is zero scientific evidence it reshapes an adult jawline. The original research by Dr. John Mew was on children, whose bones are still growing. The before and afters are almost entirely explained by weight loss, lighting, and camera angle. The jaw didn't move, the photographer did. And then there's bone smashing. People hitting their own faces with hammers to get sharper cheekbones. The theory comes from Wolff's Law, real science that says bone remodels under mechanical stress. True, except Wolff's Law describes gradual loading from muscle contraction, not blunt force trauma from a hammer. Hitting your face with a hammer does not make you look like a Chad. Please do not hit yourself in the face. The mere exposure effect. The more someone sees your face, the more attractive they find it. Familiarity literally increases your attractiveness rating. Peer-reviewed. Embarrassingly powerful. Completely ignored by the looksmaxxing community. Vocal tone, movement, confidence. All of these independently shift how attractive people rate a face. Your face doesn't exist in a vacuum. It exists inside a person, and that person's energy changes the score every single time. Researchers at the University of Toronto have a name for what happens in these communities: masculine demoralization. The feeling of failing to meet a standard designed to be unachievable. At its worst, looksmaxxing is not a self-improvement movement. It's a machine that manufactures insecurity and then sells you the solution. Looksmaxxing is a spectrum. On one end, sleep, body composition, posture, boring, free, backed by real science. On the other, hitting your face with a hammer, chasing a jawline generated by an AI filter, getting rated subhuman by strangers on a forum. Not too complicated. Now you should be able to take sleep, sunscreen, good posture, and the knowledge that just showing up consistently makes you more attractive and go absolutely win. You're welcome. That's going to cost you 1 subscribe. And let me just flip this bad boy around. Tips in the form of likes are appreciated.